starboard windows, fuel pumps on, landing light on, flaps are set, mixture full rich, and soft field takeoff. Here we go. Clear left, clear right. Outlaw traffic, Cherokee 5147 here, taking runway 35 for departure to the east, Outlaw. We'll keep it rolling. We're on center line. Here we go. Power set, airspeed's alive, engine instruments are green, there's the nose. Holding it off. Pitching to staying.
Entering the right downwind to 35. Dixon.
There's a VY. Clear the obstacle, first notch coming out.
Mayfield traffic, Vision Jet 217, Tango Romeo, 15 north, inbound landing 19 Mayfield.
Second notch. Flaps are up. Outlaw traffic, Cherokee 5147 Sierra, turning right, crosswind runway 35, Outlaw. Fuel pumps off, landing lights off, the flaps are up. The after takeoff checklist is complete. Outlaw traffic, Cherokee 5147 Sierra, 2 miles to the east, departing. Last call, Outlaw. Switch or? Yeah. Right. Campbell approach, Cherokee 5147 Sierra, 2.5 miles east of Clarksville, 1,600, climbing 3,500, east practice area, request flight following.
November 5147 Sierra, Campbell approach, squawk 0220.
0220, Campbell. Correction, 47 Sierra. Oops.
Getting used to that ATC part, man. Calling us Campbell approach.
Right. 0220, Campbell approach.
Yeah.
Oh well.
November 47 Sierra, you radar contact 3 east of Outlaw, Campbell altimeter is 3006.
006, Cherokee 47 Sierra.
Do they know that you fly out here?
Yeah.
They just don't say hi back?
Guess not.
That's rude, dude.
Really?
I love you, boo.
You gotta just say it on frequency, man.
Everyone's a little upset there's no breakfast pizza today.
Text me your orders. Alright, so I've got this pond just slightly off my left side and that pond slightly off my right. We'll use that for my my gauge, I suppose. So we'll start with the left turn.
Yep.
Gonna kick the rudder and turn 45-degree bank. And hold this attitude, or altitude rather.
Get a little more bank in there. We're sitting at like 35 to 40.
There's my ponds. To the right.
A little bit more bank.
November 87 X-ray, contact Evansville approach 124.02. Good day.
There's my ponds.
Traffic not available.
It wasn't within 10 degrees. Or maybe I was. Definitely kept my altitude within 100.
Yep. Give it just a slight turn to the left because we're sitting at 10 right now. 10
Okay.
off at east.
Gotcha.
There you go. Now hold this. So if we overshoot it a little bit, just bring it right back to it.
Okay.
Like, don't say, oh no, I definitely turned out at 090 if you know you turned out at 115 or 105.
Gotcha.
But still fix it and then say, okay, overshot by about 5-10 degrees there, but now we're back on heading.
Okay. That was so much better than last time we flew.
It was very good. Only thing, a little bit more bank on both of them. All right,
Alright.
controls.
My controls. Alright, so here we go again. Get on my heading that I chose, and I guess I could bug it. Like a real boy.
There you go.
All light.
Bring the nose up.
Nose is coming
Nose
up.
up.
Nose is up.
Hold it.
Buff it.
There's a brake.
There we
There
go.
you go. See
Nice.
that? If you bring it up quicker, we're gonna have less just hanging on the prop. Because the longer we take to get up there, we're actually building a little bit of airspeed on the first couple ones that you did.
Yeah.
And then we had to work to lose it again.
Okay, that was much better. 1700 RPM. Third notch of flaps. Trim a little bit. Got a stabilized descent. 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, and selected my heading a bit. All light. There's the buffet. Oh, I was adding the power before it broke. There's the brake. First notch coming out. Positive brake. Third notch.
Cool. Not bad at all, man.
Okay.
So recover by 2,000. And then from this, we're going to go directly into a power or simulated engine failure.
Okay. Alright, so get my heading linked up here. 165. Alright, so here we go. The power's off. I'm going to start my bank. Start my descent. Letting the nose come down. Coordinated turn going. Airspeed's coming up good. 100. 2,300 feet. 120 miles an hour. 3,000 feet.
Let the nose down just a little bit more.
130. 2,600 feet. $2,400 feet. I feel like it does not want to go any faster.
Alright, we're good here because we got to start recovering anyways. Start bringing
Traffic
the
not
nose
available.
up. Power's out.
Leave the power out until we're getting those up and get the speed back
Well,
down.
no, we're going to take this to a simulated engine failure.
Okay.
So go ahead and start pitch for best glide.
Alright, pitching for best glide, looking for a spot to land. I see power lines over there, I don't like that. I'm going for this field right here, off our nose.
Alright.
There's it's really wet before the field. If we point between the two, just left of the barn there, it looks best. And we're pitched for best glide here. We would run the engine restart checklist now that we found a place to land and call Mayday to ATC and let them know approximately where we're trying to land.
Cool.
If we couldn't get the engine restarted, we would turn the fuel off. Magnetos, fuel pump, mixture, lean to idle cutoff, and unlatch the door. I think we got this field made. I would probably even put in a notch of flaps.
I would hold off on the flaps, but I say we got it made.
Alright.
Alright, you have your engine.
Okay. Full power.